Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to St. Bernard Acres. It was looking like a construction zone here for a little bit this morning. This is May 8th. And we did some clearing. This is where, there's the driveway, there's the cabin. This is where Alex is going to put his house. Now, it's amazing how quick all of this was cleared. Because remember, you couldn't even walk in it. But they'll bring his shed out here, and I think he said 3 weeks it would be ready. And he's getting a 14 by 32. But man, I can't believe how fast they did all that. Big track hoe, that did the trick. But it sure made a mess out of the yard. Gail ain't gonna be too happy. But it'll all grow back. It'll all level back out again. Now I had him pull that tree stump out of here that always was riding around on the mower. So that's gone. Well, once I get rid of it, he pulled it up, packed in the hole. And then the stump that was over here, now you can see where our house is going. This should make more sense to you. Because there's the barn. We walk down here. There's where the house is going to go. The 16 by 40 or 16 by 58 house. It's basically going to be 16 by 60. Now I just got to get all my blocks out here and start laying out the block. But we put the landscape fabric down and then 4 loads of gravel on top of it. And this is that crush run. So it'll pack pretty good. It'll hold the house without a problem. And I didn't have to spend a whole lot of money getting it all leveled and dug out and everything. Because I am putting it on piers, on blocks. So I can make adjustments to it. They didn't have to, get all these levels out and lasers and all this kind of crap. I just wanted the gravel down so we can work with it. And I'll start leveling it out now. Then I'm going to have them bring out the gravel and do the gravel for Alex's side for parking, some more driveway by the cabin, and bring the driveway all the way back here. I'll just have the gravel delivered and dumped. I can spread it out with the tractor myself. So I don't have to have, I'll let them spread what they can with the truck, but I'll level it all out with my own tractor. But yeah, there's my electric. that's going to go up into the house. But this is it. Man, I can't believe it's finally done. And like I said, it'll give you an idea. Everybody's been asking, where's the house going? Where's the layout of the house going to be? There it is, finally. Can't believe last weekend I mowed. Or this past weekend I couldn't because of the rain. Look at how high it is. And this weekend it's supposed to rain. So I don't know. But yeah, there it is. 58 feet long, 16 feet wide. Huh?
That tree?
That cherry tree go?
This one I'd like to save if we can.
The bigger one?
Huh?
That one right there, you want to keep it?
If we can.
Oh yeah, I don't care.
Yeah, let's keep a couple of the nice ones.
Alright, that's what I was asking, because
Yeah.
we was getting into some decent shit.
Yeah, we keep some decent ones as long as he's got room to put his house in here.
Alright.
Right. But that's it. Actually got stuff done out here. And I feel good now. I feel much better. It took 4 hours to clear all of that, level out all the gravel, and make Alex's pad. So that was money well spent. And we got 6 loads of gravel, 8 tons per load. So we got 48 tons of gravel. And all the work done for $1,700 is what it wound up costing us. So not too bad. We can live with that. Oh, these damn flies, man. All right, I'm gonna get out of here. I got to get back to wheeling, go back to work. But hope y'all enjoyed this. Remember to like, share, comment, and congratulate me because we actually made another step forward. I'm out, guys.